For years, the Pentagon's X-37B spaceplane has remained one of the most secretive military projects in the world. Officially described as an experimental test platform, its true purpose has been shrouded in mystery. But now, with newly released imagery, we may finally have a glimpse into what the U.S. military is doing in orbit. This small, unmanned spaceplane has spent years silently circling the Earth, conducting classified missions that even top defense analysts struggle to decode. Is it testing advanced surveillance technology? Deploying hidden payloads? Or could it be a step toward space-based weapons? With tensions rising in space between the US, China, and Russia, the X-37B might just be the Pentagon's most important military asset beyond our atmosphere. In this video, we'll uncover the history, technology, and strategic implications of the X-37B, exploring what this latest imagery reveals and what it means for the future of space warfare. Buckle up, because space may no longer be just for exploration, but the next battlefield in global military dominance. The origins of the X-37B date back to the late 1990s when NASA first envisioned it as a reusable spaceplane for conducting orbital experiments. Originally, the project was intended to support the development of future space shuttle technologies. However, in 2004, the U.S. military took over the program, transferring it to the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, and later to the U.S. Air Force, shifting its focus from civilian research to classified military applications. Since its first flight in 2010, the X-37B has completed multiple long-duration missions, with each deployment lasting longer than the previous one. Its ability to stay in orbit for extended periods, sometimes over 2 years, while returning safely to Earth has fueled speculation about its true role. Some experts believe it is testing advanced reconnaissance technology, while others suggest it could be experimenting with space-based electronic warfare or even anti-satellite capabilities. With the recent imagery release, the world is getting its clearest look yet at the X-37B's capabilities, sparking fresh debates about its impact on global security and the future of military operations in space. The X-37B is a marvel of engineering, equipped with cutting-edge technologies designed to push the boundaries of spaceflight. Its primary feature is its reusability. Unlike traditional spacecraft, the X-37B is capable of being launched into orbit, conducting missions, and then returning to Earth for refurbishment and reuse. This ability significantly reduces the cost and complexity of space missions. In terms of capabilities, the X-37B carries a range of experimental technologies, many of which are highly classified. One of its most notable features is its solar-powered system, allowing it to remain in orbit for extended periods without needing to return to Earth for resupply. The spaceplane's payload bay is large enough to carry a variety of experimental equipment, from advanced communication satellites to cutting-edge materials testing under microgravity conditions. Some believe it is used to deploy and recover satellites or test new sensors and propulsion systems. The X-37B's sophisticated avionics and autonomous flight systems enable it to operate with minimal human intervention, making it a versatile platform for both scientific and defense-related research. Its ability to enter, orbit, and return from space with precision has earned it the title of one of the most advanced experimental spacecraft in operation today. The X-37B's capabilities extend far beyond scientific research, playing a significant role in both the military and strategic domains. As a highly secretive and versatile platform, it offers the U.S. military a significant edge in terms of space-based defense. Its ability to carry out extended missions in orbit, undetected and without human intervention, allows for the testing of advanced technologies and surveillance systems that would otherwise be impossible to conduct in the public eye. One of the most intriguing aspects of the X-37B is its potential for space-based defense. With the increasing militarization of space, the X-37B could be a key asset in ensuring U.S. superiority in orbit. Its capacity to deploy and recover satellites, conduct reconnaissance, or even act as a platform for anti-satellite weapons adds a new dimension to military strategy. It offers the potential for rapid response capabilities in space, providing the U.S. with a new tool to monitor, protect, and potentially disable enemy satellites in a conflict. Furthermore, the X-37B's autonomy and reusability make it an ideal asset for long-term operations. Unlike traditional space missions, which require extensive resources and crew involvement, the X-37B can conduct missions with minimal human oversight, making it more cost-effective and flexible in a rapidly evolving strategic environment. Its extended stay in orbit enables the U.S. military to maintain a continuous presence in space, observing adversaries and conducting experiments that could lead to new space technologies. The X-37B's operations could signal a new era of space dominance, shifting the balance of power in favor of nations with advanced space technologies like the U.S. The X-37B is more than just a spaceplane. It's a symbol of the future of military dominance beyond Earth. As nations race to militarize space, its role in surveillance, satellite deployment, and potential combat operations will only expand. With advancements in AI, hypersonics, and orbital warfare, the battlefield of tomorrow will extend far beyond our atmosphere. The X-37B is just the beginning, paving the way for a new era where space is no longer just for exploration, but for securing global military superiority.